Okay, this is how to make a 1 foot flame or 12 to 13 inches flame with a disposable lighter. It has to have one of these height selectors on it, and it has to be full of gas. What you will need is a pair of pliers, of course a little lighter you find at any dollar store, Family Dollar, gas station, anything, and V8. Because you can't do science without V8. Alrighty then. What you want to do first is get the black metal casing off of it. When you do that, it should just look like this. And these are totally 100% refillable. All you'll need is a container that is empty, but a container of butane fuel, or a really big container. That would be for a different video. What you want to do is have this all the way up. Push it up till you hear a click. Turn it towards you. Push it down. Move it forward again. And then repeat this action for about 2 to 3 times. Make sure you don't hear anything leaking out of the nozzle. Like if you hear that with the mic. Here it is. It will be very, very powerful sounding. What you want to do before, it's stupid of me to do this, but I just struck it. But what do you want to do before you strike it? Put this metal case, bend it at the 2 little indents a little bit, then hook it back up, and then ow, damn it. Then, darn it, swearing is bad. And all you want to do is just keep striking until you get a flame. Or this might be too much. So oh, there we go. Okay. I hope you could have seen that. Because, damn, that thing was high. But tomorrow, or late, here we go. But never leave it on for a long period of time. The outer casing could catch on fire. And it could blow up. And you see, it already used about 1/4 of the fuel for just that small little time. But other than that, it's all. Thought I would take a lot more time, but because you don't need the V8. V8's to drink, of course. Vegetables, gotta get your protein! And, well, that's how you do it. If you want, you can just like or subscribe or whatever. But, this is a very hard trick. I'm 18, I'm an adult. I'm kind of a professional, not really. self-proclaimed professional on this type of stuff, but usually, for any kid who's watching this right now, get your parents' permission before doing anything with this type of stuff. Any fire, pyrotechnics, anything. Just get their permission first.